What the heck? Sister Ann was in the middle of her act, I mean service, and then people started, I don't know, dropping, puking, dancing.
Isn't that kind of normal?
Not like this.
Is there something in the communion wafers?
Looks like some kind of mass mania.
All right, let's start assessing and triage, see if we can figure out what's causing this. Hand chimp, take a look at our friend here. Hey, whoa! Hey, excuse me, ma'am. Hey, I got you. Cap, they're running gas generators backstage. Okay, we're looking at carbon monoxide poisoning.
That explains the euphoria. And the nausea.
I want everybody in full SCBAs.
Buck, Eddie, kill the jetties. Let's get this place
Ventilated, open doors now.
We need to evacuate this whole building.
We got the fans going. 500 ppm and falling. All right, good work, guys.